In this video, I will show you how to work in treble crochet, and this creates an open fabric with lots of drape. Today, I'll be using WOOLANDTHEGANG's Shiny Happy cotton yarn in the chalk yellow colourway and a 4.5mm crochet hook. Let's get started. I've worked my foundation chain of 20 chain stitches. As I'm working in treble crochet, I'm going to chain an additional 4 stitches, as this is my turning chain, and you should do this at the start of every row that you work when working treble crochet. Once you've chained your additional 4 stitches, you're going to count to the 5th stitch, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so you're going to be working into this one here. Wrap the yarn twice around your hook, so once, twice. Insert your hook into that 5th chain stitch, like so. Wrap the yarn around your hook again and draw it through. So you should now be able to count 4 loops on your hook. Take the yarn over your hook again and bring it through just the first 2 loops. So you should be able to count 3 loops. Yarn over again, bring it through the next 2. So you've just got 2 loops remaining, and to complete your first treble crochet stitch, draw it through those last 2 loops. So that's what your first treble crochet stitch should look like. So you're just going to keep repeating those steps into each of your chain stitches until you come to the end of your foundation chain. So let's see that again. So take the yarn around your hook twice, insert into the next stitch, yarn around your hook again and bring it through. So you've got 4 loops, yarn around your hook, bring it through the first 2, yarn around your hook, bring it through the next 2. Complete the stitch by bringing the yarn around your hook once more and drawing it through the last 2 loops. Once you've worked your first row of treble crochet, your piece should look something like this. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like to work your next row, rather than working into the foundation chain and working into your row of stitches instead. So begin by making your turning chain of 4 stitches when working in treble crochet. Turn your work around, and as you did for the first row, you're going to go into the 5th stitch from the hook to work your first stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see that when you're working into the foundation chain, you were working into the stitch. The stitch looks a little bit different now. It's got these 2 strands and you're going to go underneath and through there. So let's see what that looks like. Take the yarn twice around your hook, and you're going to go in there to work your treble crochet stitch. Like so. And just keep repeating those steps until you reach the end of your row. So there you have it. That's how to work in treble crochet.